Okay, everyone, it truly does suck when kids pull fire alarms in schools for fun, for a prank, to skip a test, to get out of class, and to scare people. The reason why this behavior really sucks is because what those kids are doing is putting the lives of other people at risk because the fire department could not be at that real emergency because they had to respond to that false fire alarm that you pulled. And after the fact, the consequences that those kids will get is not good at all. Misuse of fire alarms suck. It truly does because people's lives will be at risk and the person that did it will get into serious trouble or even arrested, depending on how old you are and what type of building it was pulled in. Stop treating fire alarms like toys because they are not toys. They are very serious life safety devices, kids. Bye.